Hey everyone, welcome to the course and thanks so much for joining. To kick us off, I'm going to take a minute to talk about exactly how this course is structured and what you can expect to learn along the way. My teaching style involves using a combination of slides to illustrate key concepts and screencast demos to show you how to apply those concepts to real data in Excel. Now in the course resources, you'll find a PDF download with over 100 slides of resource materials, all of which I'll be walking through during the course. These are now yours to download and print if you'd like to follow along from home, or just to have on hand when you need a refresher. You'll also find the data files that we'll be using for our course project, as well as a completed workbook to reference in case you get stuck. Now, throughout the course, you'll find quizzes to wrap up each section, plus homework exercises to reinforce key concepts and give you an opportunity to actually apply the skills that you've learned. We'll begin our journey with an introduction to the Power Excel landscape and review some of the key benefits compared to traditional Excel. From there, we'll dive into Power Query and practice connecting, loading, and transforming raw data using the query editor. Once we've loaded our source data, we'll cover Data Modeling 101, which is all about laying down the fundamentals of database design and normalization, critical concepts when it comes to working with these tools. Next, we'll explore Power Pivot and the fundamentals of data analysis expressions, or DAX, and finally wrap things up with a deep dive into some of the most common and powerful DAX functions. Thank you again for choosing this course. Now let's get started.